Greetings, TWF fans. Tonight's match is sure to burn out your minds, as it sees Fiery Sinistra and Fuego taking on Dexterra newcomer Adam Alarmclock. Let's get on with this already. I've got a dance concert in so many minutes. Dance lessons, Colonel. You planning to beat Fuego at his own game when you inevitably get back into the ring? Exactly, Dick Thompson. But don't worry, I'm sure Lance will be happy to replace me in the commentator's booth when that happens. I'm actually scheduled next series, but I've stuck me with Blade Batboy. Well, that'll be one to look forward to, Colonel. And now, ladies and gents, on to the match. Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner for the evil Sinistras, his dance moves and passions are always hot, hot, hot. And Fuego! Fresh from an appearance at this year's Helpman Awards, Fuego is ready to show off his silver trophy winning skills in the ring. What, even beat my neighbor Gregory? Oh yes. Hola TWF fans, I'm ready to burn it up in here. Especially after being robbed of a gold trophy last night. Y las bolas de limo. And in this corner for the mighty Dexterras, the fellow always looks to send his opponents back to the future. Adam Alarmclock. Formerly a worker at his brother's clock shop, this Quantic Dexterra was granted time travel powers by some weird form of accident. Now Adam Alarmclock seeks to preserve the timelines by stopping Senator Skull and his cronies. He is a time traveler. He can control time. He will make worthy opponents. Booyah! Welcome to the future, people. All you clock workers around the globe, whenever and wherever you are, let me hear you scream. Look how he toys with their hearts. Dexterras, Sinistras, thumbs up, throw down. Lock 'em up. 3, 2, 1. Who will be the strongest thumb? And away we go! Okay, the round begins with 5 hot blows from Fuego, followed by a New York knuckler from Adam Alarmclock. You fight well, noble opponent. Your moves are as hot as wasabi.
Exactly. No tenses of the word.
And your blows speak of iron to me. I did not understand that last match, Miss Amigo. But thank you nonetheless. You will find Fuego is not a hard man. Respect my superiority, and we are at peace. Then we really shouldn't be fighting, should we? Unfortunately, tea parties don't make for good television. A fireball display from Fuego followed by... You like things hot, my friend? Perhaps this'll take your fancy. The eruption of Mount Vesuvius, the fiery demise of Pompeii, earth of yours! A flaming conclusion awaits the first round, as Fuego's fiery passions allow him to withstand Adam Alarmclock's attempt at a history lesson, and Fuego will be history when I get back in the ring. Okay, buddy, let's see things up in here. You've got the right man, then. That's pretty much all I do here. And Adam Alarmclock's really heating up, faking left, faking right, then actually hitting left and right. And Fuego responds with a Texas Twister. You look as if you're struggling to keep up in Fuego. Perhaps we should switch to something more your forte. Do you mean to imply that wrestling is of my greatest strength? Well, an argument could be made there. The furthest you got was the semis in Season 4, and only then because of Bucks' cheating. But what I meant was, we should switch this into something more fitting for you. Tell you what, let's make it a dance-off. A dance-off? Oh, I love dance-offs! Very well. Your honor, Alarmclock! here we are, folks, a real live dancer here in our arena. Oh, first off is Fuego with an incredible funky chicken. Funky chicken reminds me of Senior Prom. Wow, look at Adam and Longfox go. I've never seen anyone do the resurrection so well. Then Fuego counters with the moonwalk, but Adam and Longfox goes all out with the robots. Look, now the moment we've all been waiting for, and Fuego with the Sinistra Samba. And my man Longfox strikes back with the whirlwind. Adam and Longfox is trying his hardest to beat Fuego at his own game, but that is proving easier said than done. Just like performing dance moves like my instructor does. Okay, any more epic moves you want to fry me with, Fuego? You are a better dancer than I gave you credit for. But there is one move you can never hope to withstand. The one that would have netted me that trophy last night. Hit it! Here it comes, folks. It looks like Fuego's going for the deadly forbidden dance. You have no chance against me, Denria Hironica. Maybe not in a fair fight, but there's one move you haven't seen yet, Fuego. Time to stop your clock! Oh, here it comes, folks. Adam and Longfox going for his classic move, the clock stopper. Tick-tock goes the clock cradle, and he creased the tick-tock goes the clock. Time to grab the Sinistra. Booyah! Isto es tan humiliating. And here we are, folks. Adam and Longfox has defeated the passionate Sinistra in Fuego. An epic start to what this commentator is convinced will be a glorious career. I will watch his career with great interest. If he is a better wrestler than we think, and he cares to challenge me! Okay, see you next time, folks. Hot, hot, hot.